basically a YouTube savings account if you think about it. We're going to show you how to save money, and saving money is the same thing as making money. What is build more with less? Well, it's building more with less. It's kind of in the name there. What kind of projects do we do, you say? A little bit of everything, from backhoes to birdhouses to campers to rat rods to home improvement projects to build more with less on the road, anything with a tire, anything that turns, golf carts, tillers, fix here, fix that, tips, fixes, hacks. Back in the day, they weren't called hacks, they were called shit you do. How-tos, how-not-tos, a bit of everything. I'm gonna give you ideas to make and save you money. I'll promise you that. I don't like to throw anything away because, well, build more with less and all that, right? If you like what's going on, you know, this whole subscribe thing, do that. You know, there's over 2,000-3,000 people that actually watch this and return back and watch it, but you're not subscribing because, well, I think if you're anything like me, trying to find your password to your Google account or your YouTube account, I mean, I'd rather go to the dentist. I mean, I get it, but if you get a chance, I would appreciate if you subscribe to this channel. We do everything from, like I've said before, back to build more with less is to build more for less. So hit that subscribe button. Join us. Become one of us. One of us. One of us. We try to upload cleanish content. So hit that subscribe button. Join us. Become one of us. It's free. Get your passwords and click the buttons and hit the likes and hit the don't likes. Just become part of the YouTube community. Build more with less on YouTube. We'll show you. Come along on the ride. Come along on the trip. Sit back and enjoy. But welcome to Build More with Less. Welcome to Build More with Less. People of planet Earth, welcome to Build More with Less. Nanu, nanu. Boop, boop.